Here we have a Volkswagen Golf. It's a 2-litre TDI GT DSG 150 PS. Now the red rocket's in great shape and it has a top spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, distance monitoring, a forward collision warning, an automatic post-collision braking system, a lowered sport suspension and 17-inch Dijon alloy wheels. Now the boot's a good size and even comes with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has a multi-device interface, a composition media system and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.